To keep your heating and air conditioning system running efficiently, it's important to replace the filter on a regular basis. That usually means every 2 to 3 months. So first you need to remove and discard the old dirty filter. But before you install the new filter, this is a great time to eliminate any stale or musty odors. And we're going to do that with vanilla extract. What you do is just pop it open, and you just want to dribble a little bit on the filter. You want to get it on the entire filter, top and bottom. You don't want to saturate it, but you want to get a good amount. I mean, in total, it's probably no more than about 1/8 of a teaspoon, but something like that's probably enough, at least to start. Okay, now just install the new filter as you ordinarily would. Now what's going to happen is, once the system kicks on, it's going to blow that sweet smell throughout the house because it's going to be sucking in air here and distributing it in every room. Now in this case we used vanilla extract. You can also use lemon, orange, or even almond extract. And the bottle I have here only costs like $3 or $4, and it's enough to last the entire year.